Alright, so I'm gonna be unboxing my friend's ROG RTX gaming graphics card 3080. This is what we're gonna be putting in his computer that we're gonna be building uh, throughout the next couple of weeks. Help him out with his school and everything else that he's got going on. So it's the white edition. Just got it in the mail today. This will be the first 3080 that I see in person as well. They're really hard to find, so it's nice that we were able to get one for him. So things that come with it, little bag. I believe this is gonna be, feels like a ring of some kind. It is. Look at that. Comes with a ring. That's pretty interesting. I didn't know that was gonna happen. On it says white edition RTX 30 Strix. Pretty neat right there. Let's see if this camera will pick it up. I don't think my background will let it go. So that's actually pretty neat. Um, that's actually a really cool surprise. It's actually really heavy too. Very surprising. So we'll go ahead and put that back in there. We've got some zip ties, Velcro. So that's nice. Helps with cable management. And of course, it says Republic of Gaming right on there. So it's not too bad. Nice little surprises in here. MSRP on the ASUS website has it at 1100, give or take, as you can see on the page that I'm showing right now. Here's some of the pictures for it right there. So we won't be plugging it in anywhere today. I'm waiting for the rest of the parts to come in, like his case and motherboard, CPU. He'll be getting a ASUS motherboard as well, Z4 490 is what he's getting as well. With it's gonna be married to an Intel i9 10900K. So this is what it looks like inside of the package. So we'll go ahead and take it out of there in a second. And then of course you have your little manual. I would assume is what's in here. I wouldn't doubt it. You got your stickers, little metal. Well, not metal, but feels kind of like it. It feels like a credit card. Then you got your graphics card right here, a limited edition 36 graphics card, features shrouds, backplates, frames, fans to match white themed rig. So a nice little thing right here. I'm gonna go ahead and cover that QR code just in case, but that's what it looks like in the front. Pretty neat. Take a little player's card, baseball or something like that. And then just a little thank you note for spending all your money. And of course you got the ASUS manual right here. So it comes with a QR code in the back of the box, and that one shows that this one is going to need a 850 power supply. And then here's a little piece. Not sure what it's for, but I think it just might be one of those things that they just add on there. Looks like a little ruler. It's got centimeters on it, so it's pretty neat. So, of course, it's heavy. It's actually really heavy. It's really surprising. In my computer, I have a 2060 and a 1060 Super in there. And this is by far feels like it's both of them combined. that back on there. So it actually looks really nice. It's a very sexy graphics card that we got going on over here. Not joke with this tape either. Put that there. It's a heavy boy, really heavy. So that's what it looks like outside of the bag, and it's all RGB, as you could tell in the on the page over here. So it's gonna light up. You can see the fins right there. Connectors. Wow, they went all out. Got covers on all of them. It's not bad. This thing is very heavy. Very heavy. It's interesting. You know, you got all of your little protections on there. So it looks like it's a 2-slot card at a minimum, even almost 3. So, you know, good thing he's only gonna have this one card in there. And that's how the back looks, or the top of it actually, as you install it in the computer. And then you could see all the little banks right there. And again, we got the front. So this thing is heavy. I still can't believe how heavy it is, but it's super nice. And then, you know, there's all the connectors right there as well. So we'll see what we got to do to get that connected and ready to go. And then here you got your P mode and your Q mode. So I have to read up on that a little bit more. But I think it's your, if I remember, power mode and your Q mode, so that way the fans run a little quieter. But this is his graphics card. His computer is going to be called J-Lo from the block. And like I said, we'll be ordering all those parts within the next couple of days. And then we'll just go ahead and continue to push forward. Hopefully I can deliver this computer to him here shortly, as he's going through school and projects that he has that he's like to get going. But this is his 3080 ASUS ROG RTX. That's gonna go in his computer that we've named J-Lo from the block, and more to follow on that as well. So we'll add more videos as we progress. I might even live stream a couple once I get the box or his computer case. It's gonna be a full ATX case that we found on Amazon that he really liked.